Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. In previous video, we have discussed the three pumping scheme, two level pumping scheme, three level pumping scheme, and four level pumping scheme. In this video, we have discussed the light amplification in laser and gain, and simply it is a amplification and gain. Then simply meaning of the amplification simply meaning of the amplification is that means that energy distribution is increases or simply amplitude increases, intensity will be increases. But we have discussed that amplification, that is the light amplification in laser. We have discussed the point that light amplification in laser, that means the intensity of light will be increases. We have discussed the point that is a light amplification of laser, light amplification in laser, and then we discuss the definition of gain Then light amplification in laser, that point, that is the light amplification, that means intensity of light will be increases. And what is mean by application? What is mean by amplification? Then consider the active medium. We know active medium. In previous video we have discussed that the active medium, in active medium, that population inversion will exist. Okay, that population inversion will be exist. That means population inversion, we do the population inversion in active medium. Then we consider the active medium. In that active medium, we take that cylindrical shape, that is the cavity shape, that is the cylindrical shape, that cavity, and that cylindrical shape we have the two ends. This is the one end and these are the other end. But in that end, that is the perfectly reflector, that is perfectly reflector, that means this end is the silvered polish. And that end is the 90%, reflector and 10% refraction or transmission. That is the 90% reflector and 10% refraction. That means 10% light will be goes out of that cylindrical shape, or that is that cavity. And in that cylindrical shape, these are the atoms or molecules, number of atoms or molecule. Okay, we see that cylindrical shape that have a two ends, and one is a silver polish, that is the silver polish, that means it is a perfectly reflector, but that end is a 90% reflector and 10% that is the transmitted, that means 10% refracted. And in that cylindrical shape, these are the atoms. Then that atoms will be pumping. This item will be pumping. That means हे जे आयटम्स आहे कशामध्ये, कॅव्हिटी सिलेंड्रिकल शेपमध्ये हे जे आयटम्स आहे. आता नंतर स्टेप याचं एक एंड काय, दॅट इज द सिल्वर्ड पॉलिश, दॅट मीन्स परफेक्टली रिफ्लेक्टर. एक एंड काय, परफेक्टली रिफ्लेक्टर. अँड अनदर एंड इज ए 90% रिफ्लेक्टर अँड 10% ट्रान्समिशन. दॅट मीन्स 10% लाईट विल बी गोज आउट. इथून काय होणार आहे, ती बाहेर पडणार. मग हे जे आयटम्स आहे, याला आपण काय करणार आहे, पंपिंग करणार. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय पंपिंग? पंपिंग मीन्स याला आपण काय करणार आहे, लाईट काय करणार आहे, लाईट इन्सिडेंट करणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स लाईट इन्सिडेंट करणार मीन्स काय करणार, एनर्जी देणार. काय देणार, एनर्जी इन्सिडेंट करणार. कशावरती, ह्या ॲटम्सवरती. कशावरती, ह्या ॲटम्सवरती. मग व्हॉट इज मीन बाय पंपिंग, मग याला आपण पंपिंग करणार म्हणजेच काय करणार, याला आपण काय करणार, एनर्जी देणार. एनर्जी विल बी इन्सिडेंट ऑन दॅट atoms. Then energy incident on that atoms. That's why this induction coil will be connected. These are the induction coil. This induction coil will be connected. That means that will be the light is incident on that atoms. That means pumping. काय करतोय आपण, पंपिंग करतोय. काय करतोय, पंपिंग. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण पंपिंग स्टार्ट केली, दॅट मीन्स लाईट इन्सिडेंट केली, दॅट ॲटम्स विल बी एक्साइटेड. इन प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओ वी सी that is the energy level E1, that means that is the ground state, and this is E2. These atoms will be excited, that provide the energy, that induction coil is connected on that cylindrical shape or that cavity. Then this atom will be excited. That means pumping करतो means काय करतो की आपण त्याला काय करतो, एनर्जी इन्सिडेंट करतो. आणि एनर्जी इन्सिडेंट केल्यानंतर ते ॲटम्स काय करणार, दॅट ॲब्सॉर्ब एनर्जी that will be the excited. Simply in that, this E1 is the ground state, these atoms, then energy incident on that atom, that means energy incident on atom, that atoms goes on that excited state. These are the pumping, that is the optical pumping करतो म्हणजे काय करतो की आपण त्याला एनर्जी देतोय. काय देतोय, एनर्जी प्रोव्हाइड करतो. अँड दॅट एनर्जी विल बी ॲब्सॉर्ब दॅट ॲटम्स अँड इट विल बी द एक्साइटेड. देन these atom that absorb energy and goes to that excited state, but in that excited state these atom do not stay more than 10 raised to minus 8 second, and this goes down that to the ground state, and this is the spontaneous emission. In previous video we have discussed that spontaneous emission, that atom will be ground state. The energy incident on that atom, the atom that absorb energy and goes to the excited state. But excited state, in that atom do not stay more than the 10 raised to minus 8 second, and it will goes down, it will return back to the ground state, and that is the spontaneous emission. In that cavity coil will be connected, and आपण काय करतोय की कंटिन्यू पंपिंग करतोय. काय करतोय, फर्स्टली काय करतोय आपण, पंपिंग केलं म्हणजे काय, त्याला काय केली, एनर्जी प्रोव्हाइड केली किंवा लाईट एनर्जी प्रोव्हाइड केली. दॅट ॲटम विल बी एक्साइटेड अँड रिटर्न बॅक टू द ग्राउंड स्टेट इन दिस केस. And that is the spontaneous emission. आणि मग आपण काय करतोय की कंटिन्यू पंपिंग मीन्स काय करतोय की कंटिन्यू काय करतोय, एनर्जी काय करतोय, प्रोव्हाइड. आणि आपण जर कंटिन्यू एनर्जी प्रोव्हाइड करतोय तर आपण प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर वी हॅव स्टडी द वन स्टेट, दॅट इज द मेटास्टेबल स्टेट. देन दिस कॉइल, induction coil will be connected, that means pumping is continuously. That means energy, आपण कंटिन्यू एनर्जी देतो. काय देतोय, एनर्जी काय देतोय, कंटिन्यू देतोय. मग इन दॅट केस काय होतंय, दॅट एनर्जी लेवल E1, and this is the E3 and this is the E2. Okay, this atom is incident on energy, continue pumping करतोय आपण, and that atoms goes down to the excited state, and this is that atom do not stay 10 raised to minus 8 second पेक्षा तो जास्त राहत नाही कुठे, एक्साइटेड, and they return back to that state. कुठे येतो तो, this state is the metastable state, and this टायमिंग इज 10 raised to minus 3 सेकंद. मग हा जो 10 raised to minus 3 सेकंद जो टाइम आहे तो -8 पेक्षा कसा आहे, जास्त आहे. This 10 raised to minus 3 is greater than the 10 raised to minus 8. That atoms that goes return back to the that metastable state, because this induction coil is connected and we are continuously pumping. That means we are continuously that provide the energy. That's why that atoms is that as atoms will pumping and goes to the that excited state, and but that atom do not stay in 10 raised to minus 8 second, more than the 10 raised to minus 8 second, and return back that state, because these are the continuously pumping, continuously energy will be provided, and that atoms is the goes back to the that metastable state, and the metastable state, that is the lifetime of that metastable state, is 10 raised to minus 3, and that is greater than the 10 raised to minus 8. This is greater than the 10 raised to minus 8. Then we are continuously pumping, the coil will be connected, then continuously pumping, then that atom that goes back to the ground state. But in that ground state, that atom metastables to the ground state, this emitted a energy. This emitted a energy by stimulated emission, by stimulated emission. That means that photon energy will be emitted, and that photon energy is in phase, is a same phase. That photon energy will be same phase by stimulated emission, because that atoms that accumulate the more atoms, and that state is a population, that state is a metastable state. But in that case, the population inversion is achieved. We know population inversion, the number of atoms, the population at excited state, that is the N2 is greater than N1. That population at excited state is greater than the population at the ground state. Okay, that is the population inversion. In that metastable state, we have see the population inversion will be exist. But in metastable state, that lifetime is a 10 raised to minus 3. More atoms will be accumulate in that metastable state. But we are continuously pumping, then that atoms will goes through the ground state. But the ground state कडे जाताना ते काय करणारे energy will be, photon energy will be emitted, and that photon energy are the same phase through that stimulated emission, Okay, आता we are consider the two case, that is the spontaneous emission, that is the simply इथे काय करतो आपण की पंपिंग करतोय, that means provide energy. आता इथे काय होतंय की नंबर ऑफ आयटम्स आहे, मग आपण हे दोन केस कन्सिडर करतो. कन्सिडर काय करणार आहे, दोन केस कन्सिडर करणार आहे. सपोज इन दॅट फर्स्ट केस, these are the perfectly reflector and these are the partially reflector. These are the 90% reflector and 10% transmitted, and this is the 100% are a reflector. Then we first step we provide energy, that means आपण काय करणार आहे, पंपिंग सुरुवात करतोय, पंपिंग करतोय. दॅट मीन्स मग काय आयटम्स काय होणार आहे, in that item, this direction, this direction, this direction. But some atoms are that, see, some atoms. Why? Because that atom will not provide energy. This atom will not provide energy. That's why will not provide energy. Initially condition. Initially some atoms are that direction. Some atoms are that direction, but initially some atoms will not provide energy. That means this item will be excited, but this item will not excited. That means not excited. Then we are continuously pumping, because induction coil will be connected. Continuously pumping, that process. These are the stimulated emission. These are the spontaneous emission that return back to the ground state. That means initially some atom do not provide energy. Then next step, through that continuously pumping, that will provide continuously energy. That is the atoms goes through that excited state and return back to that metastable state, and this 10 raised to minus, because and that lifetime is a 10 raised to minus 3, because we are continuously pumping, then that atoms goes back to that ground state, but goes back to that ground state, these atoms will release energy, that photon energy, but that photon energy in a same phase by through the stimulated emission. But in that second step, these are the two ends of that cavity. One is a perfectly reflector and one is the partially reflected. Then we are continuously pumping. Then both atoms are in same phase through stimulated emission. That are in the same phase through stimulated emission. The direction is same because we are continuously pumping, that means continuously providing energy. In between the cavity, okay, these atoms will, that goes down this in that direction, but this is the perfectly reflector, then it is that incident on that part and it will be returned back, but because this is the 100% reflector, and this is the partially reflector, that means 90% will be reflect back, and 10% will be goes down. That means काय होतंय की हा जो एंड आहे तो काय होईल की 100% रिफ्लेक्टर आहे. दॅट मीन्स दॅट ॲटम्स विल बी इन्सिडंट अँड रिफ्लेक्ट बॅक, अँड दिस इज 90% रिफ्लेक्टर, सम ॲटम्स दॅट रिफ्लेक्ट अँड इज रिटर्न बॅक, अँड 10% विल बी गोज, 10% विल बी ट्रान्समिटेड, की ते कॅव्हिटीच्या काय येतात बाहेर येतात, अँड दॅट लाईट इज ए ॲम्प्लिफाईड लाईट, This in between that cavity, this is the multiplication, that is the multiple reflection, because this is the 10% and this is the 90%. That means these are the multiple reflection. Okay, multiple reflection. कोणाचं multiple reflection होता है? That will be the radiation. That is the multiple reflection of that radiation. मग आपण काय करतोय की कंटिन्युअसली पंपिंग करतोय, म्हणजे कंटिन्युअसली काय करतोय एनर्जी देतोय. त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार आहे की इथे काय होणार आहे, मल्टिपल रिफ्लेक्शन होणार आहे, आणि काही पार्ट 10% लाईट विल बी कुठून येणार आहे, ट्रान्समिटेड होणार आहे. 10% लाईट विल बी ट्रान्समिटेड, अँड दॅट इज गोज आउट, दॅट इज ती कुठे येणार आहे, बाहेर येणार आहे कॅव्हिटी, अँड दॅट लाईट इज ए एम्प्लिफाईड लाईट, अँड दॅट प्रोसेस इज ए amplification. That means कि in that cavity we are continuously pumping. That means that continuously electron will be excited. That electron or atoms will be continuously excited. That means that energy will be radiated. And these two parts will be, that is the reflector part, that is a 10% reflector and 90% reflector, and 100% reflector and 90% reflector, and 10% will be transmitted, then 10% light will be comes out, and that light is amplified light, and this process is known as a amplification. That means that is the multiple reflection, that atoms will be that continuously pumping, then atoms will be continuously excited, and that's why that intensity of light is increases. And that process is known as a amplification. And that lights, जी light बाहेर पडते, that light is a amplified light. This is the multiple reflection in that cavity. Multiple reflection in that cavity, and if we continuously pumping, that means continuously providing energy, that's why that electron will be continuously excited. That electron or atoms will be continuously excited, and that's why the intensity will be increases. And that light goes out that cavity, and this light is a amplified light. Okay, these are the amplification. Then simply the definition of amplification. That amplification is amplification is a process. Amplification is a process where the medium transfer part of its energy to the emitted electromagnetic radiation, resulting in an increase in optical power, or increase in intensity. That is simply the amplification. Then the points are the amplification and gain. These are the amplification. Then gain are the degree of amplification. The degree of amplification is measured as a gain. The degree of amplification is measured as a gain, which is the increase in intensity. When a light beam passes through an active medium. And that gain will be expressed as G is equal to 1 divided by I dot di by dx. Gain is equal to 1 upon I di by dx. Or that gain may be defined as, or simply the gain may be defined as the amount of stimulated emission which a photon can generate as it travels a given distance. In that case, that is the stimulated emission will be occur. That's why some photons, that atoms will release the energy, and that photon's energy will in a same phase. Okay. Then this amount of stimulated emission which is a photon can generate a travel a given distance. That is simply a gain may be defined as in previous. That is the gain. The degree of amplification is measured as a gain, which is the increased intensity with light beam passes through an active medium. We have discussed in this amplification. Okay. Then the gain is also defined as the amount of stimulated emission which is the photon can generate it travel a distance. But for example, if G is equal to 4 centimeters, 4 per centimeter. G is equal to 4 per centimeter. That means the one photon produces. That means one photon produces. Another definition of the gain, okay? That means that is the gain is equal to 4 per centimeter. That means one photon produces 4 photon. One photon produces 4 photon per each centimeter. Per each centimeter it travel in the medium. Travel in the medium. This G is equal to 4 per centimeter. That means one photon produces 4 photon. One photon produces 4 photon per each centimeter it travel in the medium. Okay, G is equal to, gain will be 4 per centimeter. That means one photon produces 4 photon per each centimeter. 4 photon per each centimeter. That is the simply as the gain. Okay, have a nice day.